In the ever-evolving landscape of business financing, entrepreneurs and small business owners often find themselves navigating the complex world of loans and credit. One of the most pressing challenges they face is the rigorous and sometimes insurmountable task of gathering extensive documentation required by traditional banks for loan applications. This is where the concept of no-doc business loans comes into play, offering a beacon of hope for those in urgent need of capital without the red tape. Finding a lender ready to give no-doc loans to small businesses and startups is pretty easy these days, but picking a good one, that's where it gets tricky. There are lots of online lenders out there saying they'll help businesses with not-so-great credit, but watch out, they might charge you really high fees and interest. So, it's super important to look around carefully and make sure you're choosing a lender that's fair and friendly to your business needs. Before you pick a no-doc lender, it's a good idea to do a little homework. Check out what other people are saying in reviews and look them up online. Try to find out if they've been talked about in the news and if they share info about who's in charge and their company's story. Usually, if a company's been around for a while and you can find lots of good stuff about them, it means they are pretty solid and trustworthy. I will tell 7 lenders that are known for being reliable when it comes to no-doc, or, to be more precise, almost no-doc, loans. 1. OnDeck Term Loan. OnDeck makes getting a business loan super easy and quick. Think of it like getting a boost for your business, but without all the paperwork and waiting around. They offer loans from $5,000 to $250,000, and you get to choose how you pay it back, either every day or every week, for up to 24 months. Plus, if you decide to pay it all back early, they might let you skip the rest of the interest. The cool part, your payment amount stays the same the whole time, which makes planning your budget a breeze. You can even set up automatic payments from your business account, so you don't have to worry about remembering to do it. Applying won't mess with your credit score, and you could get your money the very same day you're approved. OnDeck also helps you build up your business credit, which is great for growing your business down the line. So, what's the big deal about a term loan compared to a line of credit? Well, with a term loan, you get all the money up front, which is perfect for big moves like getting new gear, putting down money on a new spot, or bringing more people on your team. 2. Bluevine Business Line of Credit. Bluevine is like your business's financial buddy, offering a line of credit up to $250,000. It's pretty flexible. You grab only the cash you need and pay fees just on that bit. It's like having a pot of money ready to dip into whenever your business needs a quick cash boost, and as you pay it back, you can borrow again. The cool thing about Bluevine is that they keep up with how your business is doing and can adjust how much you can borrow, so as your business grows, so can your credit line. To get in on this, your business should be up and running for at least 2 years. You'll need a credit score of 625 or more, and be making at least $40,000 a month. You'll also need to show your bank statements from the past 3 months and make sure your business is on good terms with the Secretary of State. Just a heads up, if your business is in Nevada, South Dakota, or North Dakota, this won't be an option. Bluevine is a good match for medium to big businesses that have a good amount of cash coming in regularly, haven't had any bankruptcies in the last year, and have a solid credit history. Once you get the thumbs up, you could have the funds in your account in just a day. Then, you can choose to pay back what you borrowed with fixed payments every week or month, over 6 or 12 months. 3. FundThrough Invoice Factoring. FundThrough is like a financial superhero for your business, swooping in to save the day when you're stuck waiting on unpaid invoices. If you've got clients who take their sweet time paying up, FundThrough's invoice financing can help you get your money fast. It's super user-friendly and hooks right up with your QuickBooks or Open Invoice account. The best part? You won't drown in paperwork. Just set up a free account, upload your invoices or grab them from your accounting software, and pick one to get funded. If they give you the green light, you could have the cash in your account as soon as the next business day. It's not just small businesses that love this. Industries like wholesale, engineering, tech, automotive, farming, and trucking find it super helpful too. FundThrough is usually a hit with businesses that sell to other businesses, but hey, if you sell directly to customers, it could work for you as well. With this kind of flexible funding, you can speed up your business growth. Need to buy new gear? hire extra hands, stock up on inventory, or make your space bigger, FundThrough can help you do that without the headache of pulling together tons of documents like you would for a regular business loan. 4. American Express Business Line of Credit. American Express is here to make life a bit easier for small business owners looking for a quick and simple way to get some extra cash. If you've got a credit score of at least 660, bring in about $3,000 a month, and have been in business for a year, you might just be in luck. And if you're already using an Amex small business card, you could be a step ahead with pre-approval. Amex takes a peek at your credit history, how you've handled payments before, your business banking activity, and a few other bits and pieces from your business and personal credit reports to figure out how much money they can offer you. You can even link your business bank account when you apply, so Amex can check out your eligibility on the spot. What's great is the flexibility. You can borrow what you need, whenever you need it. Each time you take out some cash, it's considered a separate loan with its own fees. You'll make monthly payments, and depending on how things are going with your finances, your credit line could get topped up again after review. Applying is a breeze with their online banking app, and you can pick a loan term that suits you best: 6, 12, 18, or 24 months. The cherry on top, you only pay fees on the amount you borrow, and there's no penalty for paying off your balance early. 5. Fundbox Business Line of Credit. Need some extra cash for your business? Fundbox has got your back with a business line of credit that can hook you up with up to $150,000. Whether it's for covering payroll, stocking up on inventory, or just managing day-to-day expenses, they've got a flexible plan that lets you pay back over 12 to 24 weeks. And no worries if you want to pay it off early, because there's no penalty for that. Think of it kind of like a business credit card without the hassle. You can use it for all the usual business stuff without needing a mountain of paperwork. Just remember, like a credit card, you need to pay back what you use before you can spend again. One of the coolest parts about Fundbox is how easy it is to get started. Just hop online, download their app, sign up, and link up your financial software. If they give you the thumbs up, you could see your funds as soon as the next business day. And don't stress too much about the requirements. They're pretty straightforward. You'll need a personal FICO score of 600 or more, at least $100,000 in annual revenue, and a business checking account. The application process is a breeze, and you can know if you're approved in just 3 minutes. 6. Greenbox Capital Merchant Cash Advance. Need some quick cash for your business but don't have anything to use as collateral? Greenbox Capital's Merchant Cash Advance, MCA, might be just what you're looking for. It's a super straightforward way to get funds by borrowing against your future debit or credit card sales. Basically, you get the cash now, and in return, Greenbox gets a slice of your future sales, plus a little extra. Instead of dealing with interest rates, MCAs use something called factor rates. These rates usually range from 1.1 to 1.5 and are multiplied by how much you borrow. So, if you borrow $50,000 with a factor rate of 1.1, you'll end up paying back $55,000 in total. Greenbox Capital is ready to help businesses that bring in at least $7,500 a month over the last 3 months. They offer advances that can give you 70% to 120% of your monthly revenue, which means you could get anywhere from $3,000 to a whopping $500,000. It's perfect for businesses that do a lot of card transactions but might not have collateral or the best credit score. Applying is a breeze, too. You'll just need 3 months of bank statements and a few other financial docs. The approval process can be super quick, sometimes just a few hours, and if you're approved, you could have the funds in your account within 24 hours. 7. Clarify Capital Low Doc Equipment Financing. Buying new equipment can feel like lifting a really heavy weight, especially for small business owners. Whether it's your first year or you've been around the block, getting that new computer, piece of heavy machinery, or vehicle can be a big deal. Clarify Capital gets this and offers a helping hand with their low doc equipment financing. It's all about making it easier to get the gear you need without drowning in paperwork. Here's the deal. The amount you can borrow depends on how much the equipment costs, and the time you have to pay it back, that's based on how long you think you'll be using the equipment. It's pretty neat because the equipment itself acts as the collateral for the loan. Once you've paid it off, it's all yours. Clarify Capital makes it possible for small business owners to borrow up to 100% of the equipment's value, and the interest rates start as low as 6%. Don't worry too much about your credit score. If it's at least 550, you're in the running. And the best part, the paperwork is super minimal, so you can focus more on growing your business and less on filling out forms. If buying new equipment outright or going through the hoops of a traditional bank loan sounds like too much, Clarify Capital's low-doc equipment loan could be the perfect fit for you. It's a straightforward way to get what you need and keep your business moving forward. There you have it, folks. No-doc business loans might be the perfect fit if you're a business owner facing challenges like poor credit, not making a lot of money yet, or just starting out. The key thing to remember is to pick a business loan that suits your needs the best.